In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Tableau in just 5 minutes. It's quick and easy, and I'll be walking you through the process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. Whether you're updating Tableau Desktop or Tableau Prep Builder, keeping your software up to date is crucial for accessing the latest features, improvements, and security updates. First things first, let's open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever you feel most comfortable using. In the search bar, type in Tableau Update and hit Enter. The goal here is to find the official Tableau website where we can safely download the necessary updates. Searching directly will likely bring up the Tableau main page or its specific updates section right at the top. Once you're on the Tableau website, navigate to the Downloads page. This is the hub for all of Tableau's software versions, and it's where we'll find the latest installer for your specific product. Look for a tab or link that clearly says Downloads or something similar. Click through to enter this section. If you're not seeing it right away, consider using the website's search feature or checking the support section, as it's often linked there as well. Now that you're on the Downloads page, you'll be presented with a few different options. Since you might be using either Tableau Desktop or Tableau Prep Builder, you'll need to choose the one that applies to you. Scroll down until you find the latest version available. This will usually be highlighted or shown at the top of a list. It's important to select the correct installer, either for maintenance or an upgrade release, depending on what you need. If you're unsure about what's best, maintenance releases are typically smaller updates focusing on bug fixes and small improvements, while upgrade releases might include new features and more extensive updates. For many, just applying the latest maintenance release will be sufficient, but the decision is entirely yours based on what your project or work requires. Click the download link for the chosen update. The file will start downloading onto your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few moments to a few minutes. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves downloaded files. Now, you'll just need to run the installer. Double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions. These will usually be pretty straightforward, asking you to agree to the terms and conditions and select an installation path. Remember to ensure that your work is saved before proceeding with the installation, as the program might need to restart. And there you have it. Your Tableau software should now be updated. Enjoy the new features and enhancements. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to check Tableau's support resources or consider reaching out to their assistance team. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.